Hello guys and welcome to yet another episode of What's on My Table, and today we're going to help you with a specific error that pops up in your Adobe Premiere window, which is MME Device Internal Error. Now let me tell you, this usually occurs if you made any small changes to the mic setting in your system, especially under privacy settings if your mic is disabled or switched off. When you go into Premiere and when you click on Edit Preferences and go to Audio Hardware, that the input device shows up as not working in brackets, and then go back to your system settings, and under system settings you can go into the privacy option, privacy and security. Under that you will see microphone access would be switched off. So once you switch it on and then close this window and come back to Premiere, you will notice that this issue is resolved. So it's a simple hack and you do not have to reinstall Premiere at any point, because that is absolutely not required. And I hope this resolves your issue. And you can also try changing the device class to MME and bring it back to the older setting. That would resolve this issue for you. Thank you, and I hope you like this video. Please click on like and subscribe for more such hacks. Thank you.